Hello everyone, today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a long URL link shorter. For these tricks, first of all you have to go to the browser option. For example, this is a YouTube video and you can see the video URL or the video link, and the link is too much long. To make this link shorter, first of all you have to copy the link, then go to Google and search uh, shortlink.me and press enter, and you can you just click the first URL. Just click on here and just paste your link and click shorten, and boom, your link is now short. Just copy the link. So if I just paste the link, and you can see the actual video. So this is the video. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.